Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with somebody you know pretty well. This is Jen's Ice Glimmer. The Citizens Campaign Against Big Lick Animal Cruelty represents Glimmer and all those brothers and sisters. We've been at this a while and we've had success. We led the effort in 2019 to get a vote in the United States House of Representatives. Bipartisan, 333 to 96. Majority of the Republicans, a majority of the Democrats. But here, July 22, just a few days ago, there's some tremendous news. The D.C. Appellate Court of Appeals has ruled in favor of Glimmer and all his brothers and sisters. They have told the USDA that there's a regulation enforcing the Horse Protection Act that's available that will remove the pads and chains. It can be introduced in about 60 days or less if the USDA does its job, if they step up. The people that need to have attention brought are USDA Agriculture Secretary Tom Vilsack and the man he trusts and works under him, Kevin Shea, S-H-E-A. He's the administrator of what's called APHIS. APHIS enforces the Horse Protection Act. Mr. Shea needs to step up. Kevin Shea, he unfortunately indicated this past December that maybe he didn't really want to look at that rule, the older rule, which is based on solid data, and gamble everything on a new rule. Folks, that's the wrong path. We want the Washington Post, the New York Times, the LA Times, every publication in the country to go to Mr. Kevin Shea, and we're going to lead the effort, and we're going to hold him responsible. He has the tool now, the legal tool, that the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals has given Glimmer and all his brothers and sisters. Mr. Shea, enforce the law. Remove the pads and chains. That's what the decision allows you to do, sir, and remove them quickly. Can be done before Christmas. Just step up. You've lost one lawsuit monkeying around with the will of the people. Don't do it again. Mr. Vilsack, tell him not to do it. President Biden, tell both of them not to do it. This is all the way. We're not going to stand back. We're going straight ahead forward. For Glimmer, his brothers and sisters, the Citizens Campaign Against Big Lick Animal Cruelty, CCABLAC, boycott, protest. We've been at this for 8 solid years. We've ended shows in Panama City Beach, Florida, Jackson, Mississippi, all over the South, and we're about to bring it to a conclusion with the Big Lick. The celebration comes off in about 3 weeks. That's your Super Bowl. This is going to be the main topic of discussion. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the magnificent effort of the Humane Society of the United States and their marvelous law firm, Latham Watkins. They're the best in the world. They're international. They took this on pro bono. Members of the Humane Society stepped up, became plaintiffs along with the Humane Society, and they won. Glimmer, they won, son. They stepped up and they won. We won. Glimmer won. Everybody won, but now Kevin Shea, it's on you. And we're going to look to you. We're going to be on you. We're going to make you famous and hope and pray and ask you to do your job. Enforce this law in the Big Lick Animal Cruelty. Thank you very much.